Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I have a little thrift haul to share with you today. It's small in comparison to most of my hauls, so I'm so glad that you showed up to see my treasures. It was a fun day thrifting. I'm really excited to share everything with you. Guys, if you like thrift hauls or if you like reselling content, please be certain to subscribe and join me for a future video. That would be awesome. To my returning subscribers, hi everyone, how are you? It's so nice to see you. So the story goes something like this. We were out running errands, my mother and I, and we were getting close to this thrift shop that I haven't been in a while, but I really like the shop. I pick up some pretty good shoes at this shop. It's a local charity shop, and all the proceeds go to help educate the homeless youth, the homeless students in our community. Awesome, awesome cause. Now, the thrift store was founded by a nun in our community, but it is run by mostly volunteers, and most of those volunteers are either teachers or retired teachers. I do take my mother with me. My mother is a retired teacher. Guys, both my parents are educators or were educators, and my mother enjoys going in. She often runs into old colleagues, so that's kind of nice for her. We did decide to pop into this store, and lo and behold, the clothing was half price, the handbags, the shoes, almost everything in the store was half price, with the exception of their boutique items. And let me tell you, they have like the front area of the store is their boutique, and it is predominantly Chicos, and they mark their Chicos up. So I seldom pick up Chicos. I did find 17 pieces I brought home, and I spent $65.17. If I'm not mistaken, the cost per piece is about $3.83. So I'm happy about that. I was able to keep my cost of goods below that $5 mark. That's what I'm comfortable with now. You can tell if I had paid full price, it would have been closer to the $7 mark, which makes me a little bit more nervous. So let me jump straight into the haul. I purchased one piece for my mother, and I thought if it doesn't work, then I will sell it. Guys, it worked. It works so beautifully. So let me start with that piece. I'm so excited about it. Okay, here is the first piece. We are keeping this. My mother will be wearing this outfit to my niece's wedding. I have two nieces. My mother has two granddaughters that are getting married this summer, and I was looking for an outfit for my mother to wear that she would be comfortable in, and I found it. I purchased it. They had this marked at $18. I paid $9 for it, and I thought if it doesn't work, I should have no problem selling it and recouping my money. The designer on this is Papel. It's Papel Petites. I do believe this is Adriana Papel, and it could be vintage. It does have the shoulder pads in it. Look at all that beadwork. Guys, you can see these marks in the silk. When I saw this on the shelf, I actually thought that was from Wear. I did not notice the tags on this. The lady at the checkout was the one that pointed them out. They may have been tucked in to the sleeve. $200. But this does have a shell, and the shell does zip up on the side, and the slacks are fully lined, and there's a zip in the back, the center back. Now, these fit my mother perfectly, except she's very petite. They were a little bit long, so I will have those altered depending on the shoes. I haven't figured out her shoes yet, but yeah, there's Mama's wedding outfit. This thrift store is so small that I went through every single rack. I picked up some shorts, nothing spectacular. I don't think I got anything spectacular. This is the first pair. These are gray. They're a really lightweight denim, and I decided to bring them home because of the size. These are the Territory Ahead, size 10, 100% cotton, and they look like this. I did not run comps on these. These do not sell real well on Poshmark. These sell for about $10 to $12, but I have them. I'm selling them. They have so much Lauren Ralph Lauren, and there was a lot of Lauren Ralph Lauren shorts in really good sizes, 10s and 12s. These are a Lauren Ralph Lauren size 10, 100% cotton, kind of, I think these are a 5-inch inseam black. These were like brand new. I don't know what possessed me to bring these home and not all the rest, but yeah, I got these. They were in great shape. Most of the Lauren Ralph Lauren, it must have been one single donor, and they were all in good shape, but I only brought one home. Guys, I don't know what I was thinking. These are the final pair of shorts that I picked up. I'll tell you why I picked these up, because they're like old school. Are these old school? Let me know if you know. They are new with partial tags on them, but what I did not notice in the thrift store, you probably see it right there. These are Guess Girls. These are children's. They do look like an adult small, but these look old school with that triangle Guess, and they're in perfect shape. I don't know what I'll do with these. I don't particularly like selling children's, but you guys know, if you watch my videos, I just got a pair of Miss Me girls, like a size 14 shorts in my latest ThredUp box. I will link that video above. I think it's on that side, right? I'll link it above. You can check it out. So yeah, my children's closet is growing, and like I said, I did not know until I got home that these were girls. Yeah, so let's get into the clothing. This is the first piece. I was actually thinking about keeping this piece for myself, or at least trying it out, because this is a brand I have never owned nor worn, and it sells really well for me. Soft surroundings, size large, and I'll show you while I'm up here close. You can see that embroidery detail. So it has a little detail to it, but yet it's a nice basic. It also has a real, oh, you can see that it does have some detail on the bottom and the hemline, which I did steam the hemline, but you can see that there. Okay, so yeah, I got this soft surroundings. It sells very, very well for me. Next up is a Lucky brand, and I would not have guessed this for a Lucky brand top. It's in really super condition. The size is a great size. It's a 2X, and it's in beautiful shape. Does have a little tie detail in the front. This is what the back looks like, and I like Lucky brand in the larger sizes. And speaking of Lucky, here's another one. This one's in an extra large. This looks more typical Lucky brand to me. This one does have some detail up on the shoulders. It is a split neck. There are buttons there. Is it a split neck? No, this is a button front. Okay, it's a button front. Little pleating detail on the back, really cute, in great condition. The next piece is a hoodie. I think this is a great hoodie because of the colors for spring and summer. This would be nice on the beach, right? In the evening when it's a little cool. I like the colors on this one. This one is Vineyard Vines. It's a size medium. Does have the little whale logo on it. You see those rope drawstring. I like that. And there's also a little rope detail on the cuffs there. This hoodie was not worn much. It's in fabulous condition. I wish it was a size larger, but I've got a medium, and let me zip that up. There we go. Yeah, that's an awesome hoodie, right? Next piece is linen, and I like to add linen to my closet, especially at this time of year. These are the prettiest colors. They're very muted. Can you see how pretty that is? So pretty. This is a J. Jill pure linen piece. It's a size large. It's a great size. It's a button front, long sleeve with button cuffs, in perfect condition. Really, really nice condition. Okay, the next piece is a hoodie as well. You can see that hood. This is super, super lightweight. I don't even know. Can you tell just by the movement on the fabric? And there's a lot of sheer movement. I'm showing you the back first. I did not know until I got home that I didn't see tags on this, but this is new without tags. The button is still attached on the outside, and this was a great find. This is I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Can you see it there? Soft surroundings. It's a plus size. It is a 1X soft surroundings, tunic length. There is like a chiffon detail on it. The sleeves are the chiffon, and you can see there's a tab roll right there. Really, really pretty. Nice find. My camera does not pick up yellow very well. This is kind of a pale yellow. Really nice breezy piece. Perfect for summer nights, right? Just to put over something, even as a swim cover up. I think this would be marvelous. Was so happy to find this in such a great size. Next up is a tee, and it's kind of a tunic length tee. Can you tell by looking at this who it is? I certainly can. This is Lori Goldstein, a logo by Lori Goldstein. What size? This is a large, extra large, petite. I'll give you that. If you're not familiar, this is, I think it's sold on QVC, one of those TV shopping networks, and this brand does very, very well for me in the larger sizes. Guys, I did kind of go back and forth because of the petite. That's a little bit harder to sell, but normally petites are just cut shorter, right? Shorter arms, shorter length. And I do think that just a large could wear this tunic. Isn't it cute? It's really cute. The quality is very nice on these logo pieces, and we'll see if I can move this summer. All right, this next piece, check it out. It's a really pretty top. This is a plus size piece. A floral, almost looks like a paisley, right? This is a burgundy color, and it's got a lot of detail. This is a brand I have never picked up, to be honest with you, but I hear other people having success with it. This is Land's End, and this is a 20W, so it's a nice size, and I'm always looking for great plus size pieces to add to my Poshmark closet. This one does not disappoint. I have to get up close because you can barely see it, but this is a double like flutter sleeve, so that's going to have some pretty movement when you move your arms, and I'm personally drawn to a little extra on the sleeve. This one does have a tie at the front, and let me get in close so you can see some pin tucking or pleating detail there. It's in great condition. This would be a nice top to wear to the office, but like I said, it's in great condition, and I'm always looking for fabulous plus size pieces in good condition to add to my Poshmark closet. So this fit the bill. It's time for dresses, and this is the first dress. Let me stand back so you can see this fabulous hemline. It's almost like a little like trumpet hem. So that's going to look really pretty when you're walking, just a little extra movement at the hem. Other than that, this is basically a shift dress. It does have a zip on the side to get into it. It's a V-neck, and the front 100% linen. It is fully lined. The designer is Oscar de la Renta. This is a 12. I keep thinking it's a 14. Oscar de la Renta, size 12. I went back and forth on this one. I have 100% sell-through rate with my Oscar de la Renta, but it doesn't sell for a whole lot. But this one's too pretty. It is linen, and I do love the size, and I love the hemline. Next up, we have a little black dress, and I like this little black dress. It's got some ruffle detail on the bottom and ruffles at the top, ruffles on the shoulders. So this is kind of a sleeveless, but it does have that ruffles, give you a little more coverage. It does have a tie right here, and the ruffle, and the designer is Diane von Furstenberg. This is a size 6. This is 100% polyester. I was hoping it would be a silk dress. Very pretty, in really great condition too. So that's always a plus. Everyone needs a little black dress. This one's perfect. I mean, it's a great designer, super quality, and this one's in perfect condition. This dress is a mistake. Yeah, this was a bad buy, but it's really pretty. I was drawn to it. It's a very silky feeling. You know what I mean? It feels like silk, but it's not. It's that polyester that tricks you. This is a open front. Yeah, you've got to be pretty daring to wear this dress. It's got a nice print on it as well. It's kind of a peach and gray color, and it does have a bubble hem on it. I don't know how trendy that is. It's really cute. The modeled photo is very pretty. This one is Derek Lamb for Design Nation. It's a size medium. I saw this and I was drawn to it because of the way it feels. It feels so nice. I imagine it would feel great wearing it. When I came home and checked the comps, this dress has sold a couple times for $10. Yeah. It has also sold for $17, $19, but you see what I mean? This was probably a bad buy. I am still going to list it and try to recoup my $3.83, but yeah, it's a pretty dress. It just doesn't sell for much. And here's the prettiest dress of the lot. This is definitely a Kelly dress. Look at these beautiful colors. I may wear this dress before I list it for sale. This is a perfect dress to wear to church or to wear to brunch. Just, this dress needs to be worn. It's kind of a fit and flare, but this extra fabric right here is very forgiving. That's one of the reasons I like it. It's got the scoop neck on the front and the back, and the designer is Maggie London. It is a size 12. I haven't tried it on yet. This is 100% polyester. Pretty, huh? It's so pretty. This is a dress I think would just make you feel pretty wearing it. So yeah, I picked this one up. If you don't see this one in my Poshmark closet, it's because it fit me really well. This is the last piece in my haul. I really want to thank you. If you stuck around to the end, you're very awesome. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out. Thank you all who support this channel with your ratings. I appreciate it. So if you follow this channel, you know I just opened a ThredUp 50-pound denim box. It was huge. I have so much denim to list. I am loving it. I do enjoy selling denim, and there was one circular rack of denim, and I decided to go through it, and it is just a rack filled with Gloria Vanderbilt. You know what I mean? But I still went through it. There was another lady in the same area of the thrift store, and I was trying to give her room, and that is kind of what pushed me into the denim section. I was waiting for her to leave so I could go look at tops, and you guys aren't going to believe what I found. Now, on this day that I was there, everything was half price, but pants were $3 for all pants. Now, I wouldn't consider denim to be pants, but when I got to the register, they charged me $3 for these. As I was flipping through all the No Boundaries and Gloria Vanderbilt, look what I found. The little leather patch. These are mother denim. I was so excited. And I can't figure out the exact color of these pants. They're almost white, but they do have a very faint blush tint to them, and that is intentional. If these had been dyed in the wash, if you had washed white pants with something red, I don't think you would have the even color that you have on these denim. These are a size 27. I think these are the Looker. These are the Looker crop. So they are going to be a little bit short, mother Looker crop. You can always find mother jeans. Number one, they have a leather tag on the inside that says mother. And I'll tell you what, this leather tag is so annoying. I own mother denim, and mine kind of scratch me when I wear them. Yeah, I'm not crazy about that part of them. But also they do have M on the back pocket. So this was the find of the day. Oh, there's a little distressing too in these. So yeah, I found mother denim for $3. I got so excited. I did want to stop and take a picture in the thrift store, but like I said, there was that other lady really close to me, so I decided to contain my excitement, come home, and film everything, share it with you. If you are a thrifter, you know the thrill I felt when I found these jeans. Guys, thank you so much for joining me once again. You are awesome. I appreciate your support on this channel. Don't forget to thumbs up the video before you leave, and I will see you very soon for my next video. Blessings to all of you.